Hi guys, welcome to chekidsbuddy. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the dynamic sky add-on in Blender software. Enable the sky add-on. After we've on the sky add-on, we can go infinitely and then we can go to create and dynamic sky. So now we need to create the sky. Now we have a sky named dynamic 1. We can go to the world properties and then click on dynamic 1. Now we go to rendered view settings. Now we can wait. After we've waited, we can see this is on cycles, so we can change that to Eevee if you want. And we have our sky. So now you can change the sky color to a bit of a darker color, and our horizon color to a bit of a grey or a peach. Now that we've created our sky, we can change this cloud opacity so it's a bit more see-through, and the cloud density to make it a bit smaller. Now that we've finished our sky, we can take this cube, GZ, to move it in the Z-axis and delete it. Now we shift A and go to curve and take a sampling region. After that, we can go sample add down here and settings geometry to leaves. Now we can do show leaves. Now we can add the landscape. We'll be using a plane for this. Make it quite large. Go to edit mode and right click, subdivide, and then you can change the number of cuts to 30. Let's go back to edit mode, object mode, and now we can go to the modifiers tab and add modifier displace, and then create a new displace. Now we can go to the texture properties the type to cloud. Now we can change the size to create a smooth or small. Now we can scale it up. then click on ambient occlusion and blue. Now we can go to color management and set the look to high contrast. This will make the environment brighter. Now go to output properties and set the dimensions of X to 2560. And then move it up a bit so you can see the sky better. Set up the lighting for our sky. Go to Add, Light and Sun. Set the position of your sun. Go to the sun properties and change the color to a yellow or a red. Go to the world properties and go to sun position. Make the sun object the sun. Now change the time. Now N and then go to create. Let's change